Ready to capture life with the easiest to use GoPro ever? Hero Session is a streamlined, simple one-button experience. It's the best entry-level GoPro, or the perfect compact second or third GoPro. Hero Session is GoPro simplified. Session is small and the lowest weight GoPro, making it the perfect spur-of-the-moment adventure companion. Coming in 50% smaller and 40% lighter than other Hero 4 cameras, you can wear it, mount it with over 25 GoPro camera mounts, or bring it anywhere your passions lead. And Session is our most refined, simplified user experience. One-button capture means you are a single press of a button away from powering up and capturing. One-button control also conserves the battery. When you push the button to record, the camera powers up and records. When you push the button to stop, the camera powers down, saving the battery. Session's sleek design is rugged and waterproof without a housing. No housing means less to think about. Just choose your adventure, grab your Session, and go. Let's talk about what else you get. Hero Session packs incredible 1080p 60 video resolution of 1080p 60 video and awesome high-performance audio into a rugged design. Its small size and high-quality capture make it the perfect everyday companion to take along on life's adventures. Switch the video mode to 100 frames per second using the GoPro app and capture incredible slow motion that's liquid smooth when you play it back. Hero Session also features 8-megapixel photo capture for time-lapse photos, burst photos, and individual stills. Session is perfect to capture the fun of splashing around the pool, lake, or beach. With the dual mics and exceptional noise filtering built into Session, your audio on the move will be clearer in high winds and have outstanding audio quality. Hero Session also makes it easy to adjust major settings for video, time-lapse, burst, and single photo modes directly on the Hero Session camera. You can also control all major modes and settings using the optional Smart Remote or the free GoPro app for mobile. The GoPro app for mobile also allows you to easily preview and frame your shots, and then view and share your captured footage from your phone. With its rugged, waterproof design and one-button ease of use, Session is the easiest to use GoPro ever. Hero Session. GoPro simplified.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.